Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to download and install Blockzie for your coding part. As we already know that the block coding platform is Blockzie, using which you can perform the block coding into Blockzie for your projects and do coding in easy and fun way. So here we are going to see that how one can install it in their desktop device or computer. For that you will have first a link through which you can download the Blockzie. So here first of all I have that Blockzie's setup zip file. So first I will download that zip file and then I will install it via extracting it. So first I'm clicking onto this download and it will ask me my consent. So I will click again on download anyway because it is a safe application to use. It will make no harm to your device. So I'm clicking on to download anyway, and here the downloading process had started. So as you can see, the downloading is in process. For that you need to wait for a few seconds and sometimes for 2 or 3 minutes depending on to your internet. So now Blockzie is downloading. Till then I will be showing you that what this Blockzie is. So first of all we are going to discuss that what Blockzie is. Basically you all have idea about different coding platforms. So Blockzie is one of them, but in Blockzie we offer block coding platform. Means you can perform coding, but despite of writing long codes and typing it for it yourself, you will be just needing to adjust and attach the blocks sequence wise and as per your requirement. So you just need to arrange different blocks, such as you make it for puzzle. So that's where this comes into picture, that the Blockzie has the advantage of not writing the lengthy codes, and you don't need to specifically remember all the different types of functions and then punctuations. So here you will have no syntax errors in Blockzie because Blockzie offers block coding platform. So here we are going to download and install Blockzie's 3.5.3, which is for now, as I am recording this video at this time, this is the latest version. So using this you can perform the coding part. You have the robotics kit. So after assembling your hardware part or after assembling your robotic car, you are going to require to code it in order to make your robot function as per your requirement. Either you have made Bluetooth control car or obstacle avoidance car or line follower robot. In all the cases we are using different we are using a here microcontroller. So microcontroller is a programmable device, so you need to program it whether it is for line follower or obstacle avoidance. So you need to give your machine coding for working it function, for making it functional, and to give your robot an autonomous type of structure. So that is why we are installing Blockzie, and now you will be able to see that yes, my download is almost done. Once it is done, you just need to extract it. Your zip file needs to extract it, and then few more steps left. So here it is done. Then you need to select the folder and extract that. So as we can see here, the Blockzie has completed its download. Now click here and extract this file here. So now it is done, and I just need to minimize it. Now check into your files and see your .exe file will be there. So click on to that exe file, and here as you can see it is in progress. Click next and click on to install. It will take few minutes. You just need to wait for some time and then it will be done. Installing is in progress. So it is already done. So let's now start. So it's done. Installing process is almost done. So you just need to now click on to finish button, and then you'll be all okay to start your coding journey. So I'm just going to click on to finish, and then it will be done.